Bonnie, happy Monday! Oh my goodness, check it out! I have, oops, they're upside down, 2 Allure boxes today to unbox. I have April and I have May. Super excited to show you what's in here. I actually just resubscribed to Allure. I'm also burning my burn of the day. Check it out, the Bath & Body Works. Oh my goodness, this is the salted pretzel milkshake. I'll have this review later. I'm so excited. So, Allure. I used to get the Allure beauty box, and then I stopped it. I usually do that with beauty boxes. I'll get them for a while, then I'll stop them. I haven't had Allure in a while. So, this one is $23 per month. And, let me scroll down here. I think you now get, yes, you get at least 3 full-size products valued at $100 or more. And shipping is free. The reason I re-upped was because I got this cool gift. And I'm like, whoo, I wanted the gift. So let me see here. Which is which? I think this is, okay, this is the May box. Okay. I kind of peeked in here, but I didn't look really good. So what happens with any beauty box is that usually when you sign up, like I signed up I think April 23rd, they're going to send me the April box and then they're going to send me the May box. So that's why I got 2 in a row. So if you want to avoid getting double boxes, the best thing to do is to sign up as close to the first as you possibly can. Then usually they'll just send you the May box. And then you won't get 2. It's kind of weird when you sign up at the end of the month. So Allure, the only thing that I wish they had, they used to come in this cool red box. Kind of nice though, because they did eliminate the excess cardboard, but my mom used to love those boxes to store flowers in. But now you just get it in a box. Everything is kind of contained here. And you get a book. I like the book. So you get a card in here that has all, is this the products? No, what is this? What is the card? I don't know what this card is. Now it's making me crazy. It says there's a lot to unpack, and then it says 7 steps to brighter eyes. It's kind of like a tip sheet, I think. I like the book though. So in the book, you're going to see all of the products. It's the packing list. So the first thing I see on here is the Car Restore Eye Serum with an $85 value on it. Check this out. A lot of times what I do with my beauty boxes, and I'm going to start doing this again, I used to do this a long time ago, is I'll review a product and I'll put it up on my Queen of the Girl Geeks blog because I like writing about the products, but I don't always have time to do a video just about one product. Sometimes I do, but I do like to write. So I think I'm going to start trying to do a little bit more reviews of some of these products. So, like I said, this is it's an eye serum. Check it out. I will have to try this out. I'm always trying out new eye serums. That's one thing I do enjoy doing. Next up in my little book here, we have the, oh my gosh, $49 value. It's a face moisturizer from Mapillium. Oh my gosh, I just botched the name of this company. That's kind of interesting. Hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal. Okay, this is actually kind of up my alley here. It's a super sensitive, it looks as do not use if you're sensitive. Oh, it says do not use if you're sensitive. But usually when I see colloidal oatmeal, I'm like, that's for sensitive skin. I'll have to try it out. Next up we have, oh, how fun. I always like getting this. This is the Cella Natural, La Vie Natural eyeshadow palette. How pretty is this? That's pretty. What is the price on here? $45. No. This cannot be a $45 value. There is no way. Is this the mini? This has got to be the mini version. The full price has got, okay, the full price on this has got to be $45. There's no way this little thing is $45. That would make sense. Pretty colors though. I always love a good brown eyeshadow and I love a highlighter. Ooh, this is creamy too. Oh, this is pretty. This is nice to throw in your purse. So, super cute. As I drop it. I also got this is a $45 value. This is the Aveda Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. Usually if I get these, what I'll do is I'll use it as a one-off and review it. Like I said, I'll review it on my blog. So I've used Avita before. Kind of mixes things up a little bit. Next up we have the, Cargo. This is a, what is this? Is this an eyeliner or is this a eye pencil? I have a whole collection of eye pencils. This one's super soft and creamy. This is the full-size product. I think the Akar is the full size. This is the full size. This is a $18 value. I would never pay $18 for an eye pencil. And then we got the, what is this? This is a $30 value. It's a Power Glow Peel. So we got a peel strip. So not a bad box for $23. And then, oh my gosh, this is what I got as my gift for signing back up again. They got me. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild. I cannot wait to see this. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, this is so pretty. I love these types of how and this one just was so intriguing to me. I'm like, I'm going to sign up for Allure just to get this palette. And I can do Allure for a while. Oh, pretty purple hologram. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So I'm very intrigued by that. So that was April. So now I'm going to do my May box here. I'm getting on 6 minutes here. Again, summer skincare, little tip going on for that. I think I got this off my nose. Shop Like a Beauty Editor. Okay, again, we have the cool book for May. And what do we have in here? What do we have? Augustine's Bader The Rich Cream. Oh my gosh, $265. I'm assuming this is a sample size. Is this it? What is this? That's lip powder. What the heck? Is this full size? Why am I not seeing this product? Oh, it's here. This is the interesting thing about Allure. Sometimes you got to dig through the box. Okay, this is the sample size, but the full size on this is $265. What is this? This is basically a cream. Check this out. Oh, it's tiny. Oh my gosh. So check this out. It's a good way to try out products. So most people, including myself, would never just run out and spend $265 on a product. Even trying it, I'm not even sure I would spend $260. I got so much stuff. But if you were going to, it's good to try it first. So that's why I love these beauty boxes. Wander Beauty, I got the vitamin C concentrate. That's kind of neat. This is a $42 value. Check this out. This is pretty cool. I like these vitamin C products in the summer. I like Wander Beauty too. I also got, this is a full-size product. Check it out. This is the Josephine Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. $30 value. Like I said, I would never in a million years buy this for $30, but I like to try it, so that's kind of fun. Oh, that's pretty. My mom's going to like this. I might pass this over to her. Look how pretty this is. It's like a really deep red. She definitely likes those shades, and it's a super pretty bottle. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this product. Check it out. This is Korean Beauty. This is the Propolis Light Ampoule, I think it's called. But what it is, let me read this to you. It says, have you thanked a bee today? These insects help regulate the natural world in their spare time. They make skincare. CosRx's Ampoule, a heavy skin serum, more like syrup that contains propolis extract, a resin that bees use to build hives. You know me, I'm obsessed with my Propolythera hair care, so I'm super excited to try a bee propolis skincare. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. $28 value. I'm just going to rip into this really quick and see what it looks like. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Check this out. I definitely want to try that. So that is exciting in this box. I also got, speaking of Korean Beauty, Belief. I get my Belief from Avon. I absolutely love the Belief collection. This is actually the Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love the Moisturizing Eye Balm. This stuff is fabulous. It's so, like, literally moisturizing, and it smells really good. I love the smell of any of the Belief products. They're just really fresh. So this is, they're saying, just dropping everything today. $48 value. That's about right for the big one. I'll find that later. We also got, oh, Pure Release. What is this? I didn't get a Pure Release thing. Why didn't I get a Pure Release thing? Okay, this doesn't match. It's not matching. It says I'm supposed to get a Pure Release green tea sheet mask, but instead I got a Centerfall. Ooh, this is cool. The Centerfall Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen. I love Centerfall. And I really like the natural, not natural, but sensitive skin type of sunscreens, because I tend to sometimes react to sunscreen. This is nice, the Sheer Mineral. Oh, I'm excited to try this. That's actually exciting. I'm actually glad I got that instead of the face mask. And then I got, what is this? This is the Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask from Shangpri. Check that out. I don't know. I'll have to check this out. So I got that too. So, overall, I think this is a really nice box, actually. The bee protein stuff is awesome. The lipstick's awesome. The Wonder Beauty, the Belief. Good box. Woo, get rid of that. I gotta do my box tossing in a different way. I got another one. Get rid of it. Now I'm throwing them on my mother's side of the of the living room. So anyway, I'm impressed this month. I'm excited. I'm going to keep Allure for a while. Just going to give you guys an idea of what's in these boxes. Like I said, I'll put the link below. $23 a month, free shipping. So let me know if you get Allure. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.